Another day, another English lesson. Understanding due, time, money, and respect. Hello, everyone. Let's talk about the word due. In this lesson, we're going to look at some uses other than due to, meaning because of. If you're interested in the worldwide ELT lesson on due to versus because of, see the link in the description. Think of due as a word that connects to ideas of time, money, or obligation. 1. The first and most common use is about time. We use due when something is scheduled or expected to happen at a certain time. Imagine you have a library book. You can say, "My book is due on Friday." That means you must return it by Friday. If your friend is pregnant, you might hear, "The baby is due in July." This means the baby is expected to be born in July. When you're waiting for a train, the announcement might say, "The next train is due at 3:15 p.m." In all of these cases, due simply means expected or scheduled. 2. The second meaning is about money or obligations. This use is all about things that need to be paid or given. If you have a job, you might say, "My salary is due at the end of the month." Your employer owes you that money. When you receive a bill, it will have a due date, the last day you can pay before you get a late fee. It's not just about money, though. You can also talk about things that people deserve, as in, your parents are due respect. Here, due means something they are entitled to. 3. The third use is when due acts as a noun. When we talk about getting your due, it means getting what you fairly deserve. Example: after working so hard on the project, she finally received her due, the recognition and praise she deserved. Due can also be an adjective followed by a noun. For example, the detective received due respect for solving the crime. This refers to the respect that is deserved. Here's a quick way to remember which meaning fits. You can test it by replacing due with another word. If you can replace it with expected or scheduled, then it's about time. Example: the report is due, expected, tomorrow. If you can replace it with owed, then it's about an obligation. Example: the payment is due, owed, to the bank. You'll hear and see due everywhere, on bills, in emails, and in conversations. Now, watch and insert the word due in the right place to make correct sentences. 1. The next train is due at 3:15 p.m. 2. The detective received due respect for solving the case. 3. Taxes are due near the end of April. 4. My library book is due next Friday. 5. An apology is due after such a mistake. 6. The report is due tomorrow morning. 7. Rent is due on the 1st of every month. 8. The baby is due in July. 9. She finally received her due after years of effort. 10. The meeting is due to start in a few minutes. 11. The payment is due to the bank by next week. 12. Your salary is due on the 31st. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video.